Hi everyone, welcome to our World Tennis Talk Show. In this show, the tennis speakers from many countries are mainly discuss about the world's problem that we and our environment is dealing with. And today's show, speakers are mainly discuss about the pollution, especially water pollution and air pollution. First of all, let me introduce you with our speakers. Me, Isalakin Ellison, I'll be as the presenter of this show, and I will also participate in the discussion as the university student from USA. And another one is Adrienne. She is from Australia and she's from University of Nazing. And the next one is Shindanzeya Dio. He is a student from Japan. So let's start with our air pollution. Now, discussion time.
As the picture shows, the world dealing with the air pollution by the human behavior and also some natural disasters. But natural disasters like mountain eruption and wildfire hardly ever happens once a year. However, man-made harmful gases are produced by industrial emission, transportation, open burning of the garbage waste, construction and demolition. They are mainly encouraged to begin the waste air pollution.
Now, I will present the effect of the human health from the air pollution. From my medical research, long-term health effects from air pollution include heart disease, lung cancer, acute and chronic respiratory disease such as emphysema and asthma. Ambient air pollution accounts for an estimated 4.2 million deaths per year due to the diseases. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's brain, kidney, liver, and other organs. Scientists suspect air pollutants caused birth defects.
Yes, it can affect badly not only human health but also the environment like global warming, acid rain, eutrophication, effect on the wildlife, depletion of the ozone layer, and they are mostly caused by the carbon dioxide from the car and factory.
Our tips and facts to reduce the air pollution. If we want to reduce the air pollution, there are many different ways to reduce the air pollution. Turn off the light when we not use, recycle and reuse. Use less the plastic bags, reduction of forest fires and smoking. Use of fan instead of air conditioner. Use filters for chimneys. For transportation, I recommend to use public transport or biking if the journey is long, but it's like too short. It would be better to go on foot. Walking can not only help to stop the air pollution but also good for health. If electric cars can widely used in the environment, I think it's the best way to reduce the air pollution. In the other words, we can stop the air pollution which is caused from the transport by using electric car. So with these ways and also other ways, we can save our environment. Now, they will discuss about the water pollution. I will tell you about the causes of the water pollution. One of the most important results on our earth is water. Every living thing depends on water to survive. Clean water is vital to our communities, economy, and most of all our health. In fact, humans are made up more than 60% water. Unfortunately, much of our water on Earth is polluted, and it is one of the major crises facing the world today. And the causes of water pollution are many, and we'll need to take several measures in order to save precious resources. As long as humans live, water will be needed and consumed. That means humans are bound to create wastewater and cause lakes, rivers, and sea pollute.
Obtaining clean water is becoming harder and harder each year. Water pollution affects drinking water, rivers, lakes, and oceans all over the world. In many developed countries, it is usually a leading cause of death by people drinking from polluted water sources. Water pollution has very negative effect on public health. A lot of disease result from drinking or being in contact with contaminated water, such as diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, dysentery, or other skin infections. In zones where there is no available drinking water, the main risk is dehydration or exhaustion. After that, water pollution truly harms biodiversity and aquatic ecosystem. The toxic chemicals contain the color of water and increase the amount of mineral, also known as eutrophication. Chemicals in the water encourage the growth of algae. These algae form a layer on top of the runoff lake. Bacteria feed on this algae and this increases the amount of oxygen in the water, severely affecting the aquatic life there. Thermal pollution, defined by a rise in the temperature of water body, contributes to global warming and causes serious hazard to water organisms. Owing to that, water pollution affects not only individual living species but also population and entire functioning ecosystem that exist in the water.
How to slow water pollution? How can water pollution be prevented? There are many things we can do to reduce water pollution. Wastewater treatment is consists of the removing pollutant from wastewater through a physical, chemical, or biological process. The more efficient these processes are, the cleaner the water became. Green agriculture, globally agriculture accounts for the 70% of the water resources. So it is essential to have a climate-friendly crop that efficient irrigation that reduce the need for the water and energy efficient food production. Green agriculture is also crucial to limit the chemicals that enter the water. Plastic waste reducing 80% of the plastic in our ocean is from land sources. In order to reduce the amount of the plastic entering our ocean, we need both to reduce our use of the plastic globally and to improve plastic waste management.
And then stormwater management, water conservation, air pollution, prevention, and so on. We should keep our environment clean and shouldn't waste natural resources to reduce pollution. We should reuse and recycle trash in many ways. If we do these things, we can reduce pollution, keep our environment clean, and save many living things. We can also preserve land, water, and air from destruction. This brings us to the end of today's show.